Look at that nice Johnny Benson throwback. That thing's fucking amazing. Honeycut Hocevar. Gray Rosario. Boogity, boogity, boogity! Let's go racing, boys! Green flag at Darlington. A lot of wheel spin there for the outside lane. Here comes the Tricon force. Oh my god, I was already going fucking 3 wide. Jesus. Looks like he's going to regain second place. Really good move by Carson. Yeah, he must have got a big run off of turn 2 from the top side. 3 wide with Friesen, 3 wide with Riggs in the middle. Back to the back of Honeycutt into turn 1. Chastain dives down to the bottom. Turn 1, you don't really see that very often. These guys really confident. These cup guys, you know, you can really tell. Woo! See the 88 there, gets sideways. Oh my goodness, Chastain. I think he was still out there. I think I might have caught him by surprise. I don't think he thought that the 34 had cleared him. Wasn't clear. That 88 and the 88 and the 45 are loose. The 88's trying to wreck the 45 here. Oh my. You'll see these guys bounce off of turn 2, and I think that sometimes you bounce up the racetrack. Oh, caution! That's Ben Rhodes in the wall. That farm plate number 99 Ford F-150. It's a decent looking truck. I don't hate it that much. I mean, I don't like the fucking random ass orange accents on it, but looks like they just combined 2 trucks together. Guess isn't that ugly. Could be worse. Yep. Oh.